Let's 1v1 some flower and go to class.
A few hits later.
What's up, y'all? For roll call, can everybody have a quick 1v1? Drop it here in the comments so let me know what you just fought against. So today we're going to be discussing terpene profiles and which ones can be a better fight for you than others. So since we're talking terpenes, let's go over them briefly. Myrcene, caryophyllene, and linalool are going to be your terps that make you feel calm, relaxed, the body feels nice and heavy. It's your pain relief, your anti-inflammatory, and your anti-anxiety. These are the terpenes that people usually give credit to the word indica for in terms of feeling. Limonene, terpinolene, and pinene are going to be your terpenes that make you feel creative, uplifted, energized, and focused. These are the terpenes that people usually give credit to sativa for in terms of feeling. Okay, now that we've reviewed terpenes, let's create a terpene profile specifically for people who are a little bit more anxious and looking to relax but still want to keep a nice balance. So we're going to start with myrcene as the dominant terpene here in this profile. With myrcene as a dominant terpene, we set the intention of relaxation right off the bat. Myrcene's hits to the body is calm and it kind of make your limbs feel numb. You just walking around like this. You know, when myrcene is hitting the head, it provides calm and dreamy feels. Damn, girl. Limonene is gonna follow behind that, helping to provide a boost to counteract what the myrcene does to you at first. Limonene is gonna be your mood booster, your elevator. Limonene usually helps balance out the heaviness of myrcene as the dominant. Limonene is gonna focus up top. It's not really gonna worry about the body. That's why we got the myrcene. This is why I said that this is a good balance. The limonene is knocking all of that out and keeping the myrcene here so your body feels good, but your mind is like, okay, we're going. To finish it off, we're gonna add caryophyllene. Think of it like putting a pillow in your seat and sitting back. It just feels nice. It's not really there to do anything else. A terpene profile like this would normally be referred to as an indica dominant hybrid. I think of flowers like Animal Face, Godfather OG, Permanent Marker, when we talk about terpene profiles that look similar to this. So make sure to keep these things in mind when you picking out your 1v1s. All right, that's it for class today. Thank you for joining me. It's Ali, and I'll see you next time on A Few Hits Later.